Hello students, hope you are doing well. TS ESET is a popularly known entrance test conducted for admission to direct second year BTech course, that is lateral entry admission. Usually the number of takers for the TS ESET exam exceeds 30,000 every year and the number of seats available in various colleges is quite limited. The competition is high for popular BTech specializations such as CSE, ECE, EEE, Mechanical, Civil and Chemical Engineering. Hence, in order to secure admission, the candidates need to have a good or an average rank or score well in TS ESET exam. In this video, we'll discuss the detailed analysis of TS ESET's very good, average and low score and rank which has been prepared on the basis of previous year's trend. This video will also overview the details related to the minimum qualifying marks required and the ranking system for the TS ESET exam. So let's begin. Before moving forward to good rank and score for TS ESET exam, let us first know the ranking system for TS ESET exam. When the result is released, the TS CHE allocates two different ranks to the candidates. The first is course specific rank and the second is integrated rank. The course specific rank indicates that the candidate's rank that has been allocated to him or her in a specific paper. For example, if a candidate appeared for a CSE paper, then he or she will be allocated a course specific rank as per his or her score in the CSE paper of TS ESET exam. During the counselling process, the importance is given to course specific rank only. The second is integrated rank, which defines the overall rank of the candidate irrespective of his specific subjects in the entrance exam. Usually, integrated rank is taken into consideration in case any seat remains vacant during the counselling process. That means the priority will be given to the course specific rank for your admission, and if the seats remain vacant after filling the seats on the basis of course specific rank, the seats will be filled on the basis of integrated rank. Now let us look at the qualifying marks for TS ESET exam. The qualifying marks is divided for different categories. For example, for general and OBC category candidates, the qualifying marks is 50 out of 200. That means the candidates need to score a minimum 50 marks out of 200 to get qualified for the exam, while there is no minimum qualifying marks required for SC and ST candidates. Now let us look at what is the good score for TS ESET exam. We have created an analysis of very good, average and low score on the basis of yearly trends of TS ESET exam. As per the analysis, a score that is above 160 can be considered as a very good score for TS ESET exam. A score above 130 can be considered as a good score. A score above 90 can be considered as an average score, and a score of 55 or below can be considered as a low score. Now that we are done with scores, let us know what is a good rank in TS ESET exam. The good rank in TS ESET varies from one course to another. However, we have created a tentative analysis of very good, average and low rank for the TS ESET exam. We have also taken into consideration the number of takers for each paper on average for years to prepare the analysis. So as per our analysis, let us know what is a good rank first for CSE paper. A very good rank for CSE can be in between 1 to 700. A good rank can be in between 701 to 1500. An average rank can be in between 1501 to 3000, and a rank above 3000 can be considered as a low rank for computer science engineering. For electronics and communication engineering, rank of 1 to 500 can be considered as a very good rank, Rank of 501 to 1500 can be considered as a good rank. Rank of 1501 to 3000 can be considered as an average rank, and a rank above 3000 can be considered as a low rank. For EEE, that is Electrical and Electronics Engineering, rank of 1 to 600 can be considered as a very good rank. Rank of 601 to 1200 can be considered as a good rank. Rank of 1201 to 2500 can be considered as an average rank, and a rank above 2500 can be considered as a low rank. Now let's come to mechanical engineering. For mechanical, rank of 1 to 400 can be considered as very good rank. Rank of 401 to 1000 can be considered as good rank. Rank of 1001 to 2500 can be considered as average rank, and a rank above 2500 can be considered as a low rank. Now lastly, for civil engineering, rank of 1 to 1000 can be considered as very good rank. Rank of 1001 to 2000 can be considered as a good rank. Rank of 2001 to 3000 can be considered as an average rank, and rank of above 3000 can be considered as a low rank. So on average, we can say that for majority of the subjects, rank of 1 to 600 or 700 can be considered as a very good rank for TS ECET, and if you score a rank above 2500 or 3000, it can be considered as a low rank for TS ECET exam. That's all for today. Thank you. We hope that this video will help you get an idea for TS ECET good score and rank. If you still have any queries, you can ask me through the provided link. You can also check the video description for related articles to help you gain more idea on the topic. Meanwhile, stay tuned to College Deco for more updates.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.